Cecil?
Flash flood watch in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of central Maryland, northeast Maryland, and northern Maryland, including the following areas in central Maryland and the Rundle. In northeast Maryland, Cecil. In northern Maryland, southeast Hartford, and southern Baltimore.
It got issued 20 minutes ago.
Showers and scattered thunderstorms are expected to develop along the central and upper Chesapeake Bay coastal areas and persist into this afternoon. Training thunderstorms may be capable of producing 2 to 4 inches per hour. This much rain in a short amount of time may result in rapid rises on streams, in creeks, and in urbanized and poor drainage areas. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Jesus, that's so stupid.
Here is the